Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Capgemini joining process, like how the joining happened from the first onboarding day to the last day of training. I'm going to talk about in detail through the journey. So let's start the video without any further delay. So the first day in the Capgemini called the onboarding day. On the onboarding day, the document verification going to happen. They will going to tell you all rules and policies of the Capgemini. They will set up your accounts for the Capgemini so that you can access different tools and things in the Capgemini. So basically these are the things they are going to tell you. They are going to create your account like that. These are the things going to happen in the first day, like in the onboarding day. So in the initial stage of the training, they are going to tell you about the Capgemini culture, Capgemini business operations, like how business operates, and also there will be one initial assessment like that to test your knowledge, like test your basic knowledge from that. Apart from this, they are going to tell you the different tools used in the Capgemini. They are going to give access of those tools and they are going to train those tools so that you can use those tools during your upcoming training session. After the initial training, you will be allocated to a particular unit, and based on your unit, they are going to teach you the technologies used on that unit, and you have to give many assessment based on those technologies. And all those technologies, all those learnings are kind of self-learning. Like there is not a physical person to teach you. You only have to learn from their websites, from their learning materials like that. Now in the final weeks of the training, firstly they are going to tell you about how project work in the Capgemini, how to work in the project, what are the soft skills used on the projects. And after that, you will start getting project calls from different projects, and based on your skill set, based on your project interviews, you will be allocated to a particular project based on your stream like you have allocated earlier. So yeah, this is the basic overview of the Capgemini training process and the training process. If you have any doubt regarding this video, you can comment in the comment section. So yeah, I'm wrapping this video over here. Signing off.